Hello everyone. Today we are out in nature at a place called Weeden Island Nature Preserve, and I'm gonna explore around. I've been here before, but see if I can find anything cool to show you guys. And this is the first time I'm actually using my GoPro, so hope you guys enjoy. Hearing a noise. Not sure what that is back there. But this is a part of Tampa Bay, part of the estuary where the freshwater and saltwater mixes. Really cool area. Lots of mangroves. There's a little knoll down there. Really cool area here. We have a horseshoe crab down there. It's been dead for a while, but it's down there. Definitely a really cool area. As soon as I came out here, there was a disturbance in the water right there. There's a stingray right here, actually. If you guys can see it, it's a southern stingray. It's pretty cool. Southern stingray right there. First time I've seen a stingray here, actually. He's gonna come closer, say hi. Really cool. There's probably tons of them around this area. I'm trying to be quiet so I don't disturb any wildlife. There's definitely some disturbances there. Lots of water plants. Now the cool thing about mangroves is they have to learn how to deal with salt. How do they do that? A lot of them use their leaves. Their leaves secrete salt, which helps. And the most important thing about mangroves is that they're the only tree that can live in salt water. Lots of mangroves here. So there's 3 types of mangroves that live in Florida: the red mangrove, the black mangrove, and the white mangrove. Now I'm not too sure which one's which, but I know that these are mangroves. Some of these are part of the mangroves that are tipping up, like these little tips. Those help with oxygen. As you can see, there's like tons of mangroves that way. Tons of them, and that way, and well, that way too. Lots of really cool stuff though. An estuary is one of the most diverse habitats because they have not only like it's where freshwater and saltwater meet, so they have a little bit of everything.